Today we are creating a QR code on the invoice report. So I create a new file, that is QR code invoice. Here I add a new field, that is QR image field. It's a commute field. So I add this QR image field and give a name as QR code. Then I call a commute function, that is generate QR code. Here I am going to add some value on the QR code, that is seller name, seller VAT number, customer name, customer VAT number, and invoice number, and VAT amount, and total invoice. So I add this number on by code. So I add the number by string. Then this field is I going to assign to QR code, that is each dot QR code image. Then I am going to assign this text into a new our field, that is QR code is equal to generate QR code dot text. Then we are going to the form. Then this field is assigned on this invoice. Okay, we are going to take a print on the invoice report. Here you can see the invoice report, that's including the QR code. By reading this QR code, you can get we are add on the code by that is seller name, seller VAT number, etc. We can get by reading this QR code. This is all about how to create QR code in Odoo. Thank you.